A blood pressure log is a tracker where one can write down their blood pressure over a given period of time. Our blood pressure log template in particular comes with the following: basic patient information, instructions on how to take one's blood pressure as well as reminders of what they shouldn't do before taking measurements, a table where they can input their data, and notes where they can place any significant changes and symptoms. Before a patient fills out their own blood pressure log, aside from asking them to read the instructions on the template, it's best that you make them aware of the conditions that may affect their blood pressure prior to measurement and how to avoid them. The nervousness of visiting a doctor, also known as white coat syndrome, drinking, eating, exercising or exerting physical effort doing daily tasks in proper sitting positions, stress caused by the environment or an event, and recovery from heart surgery or other disorders. Practitioners may request that their patient track their blood pressure for overall health reasons. However, patients with the following situations are highly encouraged to use our printable log, such as when their blood test results show high cholesterol, when one feels the symptoms of hypertension, when one is taking medication for hypertension, when one has experienced or has been diagnosed with cardiovascular disease, diabetes, or chronic kidney disease, and when one is taking other medications wherein they experience the symptoms of hypertension. This blood pressure log, which can be downloaded and edited in PDF form, can be used by patients of the following practitioners. To use our free blood pressure log, follow these steps. Download our blood pressure log from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Next, set up. Whether one is measuring their blood at home or a healthcare practitioner measures it at their office, one must have the following to produce results that are accurate as possible: a quiet environment free from distractions, chair and table preferably as high as the patient's elbow, and a digital blood pressure measurement device. Next, record and repeat. For accuracy, after taking and recording the first reading, one must take another. This process should be repeated every morning and late afternoon every day until the end date provided by the physician. For a full list of instructions on how to properly take one's blood pressure, one can refer to the ones written on the template. Here is a sample of our blood pressure log, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our blood pressure log, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.